Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a front turn signal on a Hyundai Elantra. This is an easy guide to help you get your signal working again quickly. First, gather your new bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. We'll start by locating the turn signal assembly, which is typically found in the front bumper. Now, let's access the bulb. Look for a small access panel, usually near the fog light in the bumper. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry this panel open. Once it's open, reach inside the opening. You'll feel the back of the turn signal bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it from the light housing. With the socket free, you can now remove the old bulb. Simply pull it straight out from the socket. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Take your new turn signal bulb and carefully insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated firmly. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Before putting everything back together, turn on your car and test the new turn signal to ensure it works correctly. Once confirmed, reinsert the bulb socket back into the light housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, close the access panel, making sure it snaps firmly shut. You've successfully replaced your front turn signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.